Hi, this is Bruce Perlman, CEO of Hemp Inc., and I'm here with David Schmidt, who's the CEO of the Industrial Hemp LLC, or
Industrial Hemp Manufacturing.
Industrial Hemp Manufacturing. And we're standing here at our plant in Spring Hope, North Carolina, next to, with how many millions of pounds do we end up with?
We're in the 4 to 5 million range.
Okay, so we have approximately between 4 and 5 million. Let's call it 5 million because we have some other somewhere else. And you can see that this is canaf. All right, and this is what we're going to be processing until North Carolina changes the laws and allows hemp to be grown. And then all the farmers can grow hemp. And you can see how big this is. This is about, I don't know, 20 feet tall, maybe 22 feet tall,
Yep.
filled with hemp. We got 4 to 5 million pounds of hemp right behind us. Okay, so this is the unprocessed, and you can see it's unprocessed because it has, a lot of the...
It's the whole stock of the canaf plant, the entire stock.
Right, and in that building over there is the process?
It's partially processed as well as some unprocessed.
And so that's where those are air-conditioned buildings. We don't need to air condition this right now. As you can see, we're out in a building that keeps the rain off of it. We lost about 10, but there's about 10 million pounds of the unprocessed canaf that we did not bring over from the other facility because it wasn't up to our standards. Some of it got a little bit of mold on it, some of it was wet, and some of it was too old and rotted. But we got this with the purchase of the equipment, so it was all for free. It's an extra bonus for Hemp Inc. and Hemp Inc. shareholders. And David, how long would it take to process something like this once we're up and running?
So we're looking about, the throughput of the DeMoffa line is between 1.5 and 2 tons per hour. So you're looking at 3,000 to 4,000 pounds per hour, running 24/7. Bruce, we're looking at 50 to 75,000 pounds in a day.
So let me see if I got the numbers. I want by the year. We can process just one shift, 10 million pounds a year. Is that correct?
No, I mean we're looking at if we look at say 2 tons an hour in one shift, we're looking at 16,000 pounds in an 8-hour shift.
Times 300. Times how many weekdays? We don't work on Saturday.
But we're looking at about one 8-hour shift. We're looking at about 150,000 pounds per week. We have the ability to process, and that equates to in a 50-week year, 8 hours a day. We're looking in the 7.5 to 8 million pound range. One shift. We will, as sales dictate, we will have the ability to go to a second shift and a third shift as well.
So we're talking 20 million pounds, 25, 27 million pounds
right.
a year.
Exactly.
And 1,000 acres produces
approximately 10 million pounds.
So for every 1,000 acres of hemp, and today it's canaf, tomorrow it'll be, when the laws change, it'll be hemp.
Right.
We can do approximately 10 million pounds per 1,000. So this plant will handle basically 3,000 acres of hemp. And David, how long would it take you to get enough farmers in this area, which you've worked with growing the canaf, to get 3,000 acres of hemp growing?
It'll probably take a week.
Okay, so in 1 week, we're at capacity at this plant, producing huge amounts of hemp for the marketplace. So thank you for joining us here at Hemp Inc.